What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. And in this video, we're talking about the breaking news that Aron has broken his silence concerning the settlement and what is going on. He's written a letter to shareholders and he's posted it on Twitter. We're going to take a look at that in just a moment. Before we do, what happened was I was uploading my last video that I just did, and I came over to YouTube and I find Lou from Wall Street has an AMC breaking news report. Aron had just tweeted concerning the settlement. So I went over there after watching his video and I found the tweet, and this is what it says. In a letter that follows, I share my thoughts about the Delaware Chancery Court's ruling on Friday that lets us proceed as our shareholders voted. In the morning, we also will file an 8K with the SEC and post it to AMC's website. My letter and 8K are important reads. I agree. And here's the letter. All right, so let's take a look and see what he wrote to us. So here we go. I've already read the first part in this fucking trash. But AMC Theaters, August 14, 2023. Fellow shareholders, trying to associate himself with us. I am writing to share my thoughts with you about some exciting AMC news. On Friday, the Delaware Chancery Court ruled that we can now immediately move to implement the proposals that were approved in the shareholder vote of March 14, 2023. The proposals to increase AMC's authorized common shares to do a reverse 1-for-10 split of AMC shares, which together will permit the conversion of all outstanding APE units into common shares, were approved by 72% of AMC shares and 91% of APE units that were actually voted in the March shareholder election. Of those who actually voted, these are very large majorities in favor of our proposed actions, but no large-scale vote is ever unanimous. Some of those in the minority continued to this day to be vocal in their opposition, talking about the no voters. So, I want to explain below to all of you, those who voted yes, those who voted no, and those who are still on the fence, why I think we are on the right path. First and foremost, AMC should now be able to raise additional equity capital. We can use this access to equity capital to shore up our cash reserves, pay down debt, invest in growth initiatives to strengthen our operating profitability, and pursue transforming merger and acquisition opportunities. When AMC has the capability to raise much needed cash, those rooting or betting against AMC face much more of an uphill climb. And with the convergence of AMC common shares and APE units, we hope and expect to be able to raise equity capital more effectively and with less dilution than when the APE units were trading separately at a significant discount to AMC common shares. That's bold, so it's pretty important. The steps we will be taking now are shareholder approved and mean the following to AMC. Bullshit. AMC will be more resilient. Were it not for our ability to have raised equity over the past 3 years, AMC simply would not have survived the pandemic-induced decline in our business. Looking forward, the flexibility to raise equity capital at the appropriate times is an absolute vital tool for any large company, and AMC is no exception. Number 2, we eliminate capital raising inefficiencies of APE units trading at a significant discount to AMC shares. Converting APE units to AMC shares results in a single price for all AMC equity. This single price eliminates the unnecessarily higher dilution caused by the lower market price of APE units. For the past full year, for example, to raise cash, AMC could only sell APE units and they only could be sold at a great discount to AMC shares. With a single equity capital structure, I believe AMC will be able to raise equity capital more effectively and on better terms in the future. All right, that's bullshit. All right, the reason Ape fell the way it fell was because he was diluting it so fucking much. All right, so don't try to blame outside forces. Go on, let's keep going. Number 3, an improved balance sheet should result over time. The simplification of our equity capital structure will enhance our ability to buy back debt or exchange debt for equity, strengthening our balance sheet if we do so. That's what I was talking about when I say they're going to be converting their notes into AMC shares. That's what he's talking about right there. This simplifies ownership in AMC. Consolidating ownership of AMC into one single class for all shareholders makes it easier for investors to track their ownership positions in AMC and eliminates the added complexity that some brokerages have imposed on holding or trading preferred equity securities. All right, simply put, it's just like a lot of people complained in the beginning is, now I got to watch 2 stocks instead of just one. And he's saying, well, this is just going to make it better. It was better when you didn't fuck with it. But anyway, we gain a better opportunity to transform AMC. We will be better positioned to invest in growth initiatives, including more innovations at our theaters, and optimize our theater portfolio by acquiring high-performing theater assets. In addition, these actions make it more likely that we can succeed if we were to pursue attractive shareholder valuation creation opportunities through diversifying and transforming our business. I think you need to worry about getting the fucking air conditioners working. We start there. All right. Most of you who actually voted back in March 14th election agreed with us. Bullshit. But to those of you who thought otherwise and who still do so now, think hard about this. Okay, he's fixing to get our minds right. Hold on. On dilution. Okay, he's speaking to the no voters here. Some of you fear dilution is a mistake no matter what. You are wrong. To the contrary, sometimes raising money is an absolute imperative. Over the past 12 months, for example, AMC raised $418 million of cash through the sale of APE units. Yeah, the Aron, and you see how that turned out. As of the most recent June 30th quarter end, AMC had $435 million of cash on hand. Can you imagine how dire our circumstances would have been if we hadn't had the foresight to raise that cash? Companies that run out of money face financial ruin. Just ask Cineworld Regal shareholders or ask Bed Bath & Beyond shareholders. But as AMC, at the moment, we have a positive market cap, and we are so much stronger because we raised money along the way. Nobody's questioned that. Nobody's questioned that. We questioned, why'd you sell that motherfucker at 68 cents instead of $10? All right, on the reverse stock split, still talking to no voters. I keep hearing from some of you that with the reverse stock split, we are stealing 90% of your shares. If someone takes 10, oh fuck, here we go with the dollar bill shit. If someone takes 10 $1 bills from your left hand and puts a $10 bill in your right hand, would you be losing 90% of your money? This does not apply. This is fluff. 10 is $10, whether it's in the form of 10 ones or 110. Yes, with the reverse stock split, the share count reduces, but economically shareholders will hold the same proportion as they do currently. What happens after that reverse stock split occurs is unknown. Bullshit. We know what's going to happen. The market price of AMC shares could go up, stay the same, or go down. But that is the true right. That is the true right now, too. He must mean truth. Bad actors can attack us after reverse stock split, but they can attack us right now too. You hear that bullshit? It's not that they can, they are, and they will. All right. Please see the current report on the Form 8K filing on Monday, August 14th. That'll be today, with the SEC, which details our plans over the next 2 weeks that will result in the conversion of APE units and trading of a single AMC common share class. I urge you to review the information carefully, including the expected timeline of events and a list of frequently asked questions. That the Form 8K will also be found on our investor website page. Okay, and the last page. The court ruling on Friday marks a significant milestone for AMC, and I would like to express my deepest appreciation for your unwavering support and trust in the AMC leadership team throughout our journey together. Ain't nobody trust y'all's asses. Well, you got a few, but you see what they've done. They've done sold out, but that's another story. That support and thoughts of our shareholders have been and will continue to be instrumental in shaping the future of our company. Then why aren't you responding to our tweets? As we move forward, I encourage you to stay engaged with our company, follow our progress, and continue to provide us with your valuable insights. Yeah, because they can't come up with ideas on their own. Together, we are building a brighter future for AMC and for its shareholders. That's a shame. I close with this overarching thought. Knowing that we can do our best for AMC to smartly raise capital is a terrific relief. And when one sees the recent success of our movie theaters in attracting millions and millions of guests to watch world-class storytelling, it's easy to understand why I am ever so excited about the opportunities for AMC that lie ahead. Only opportunities that motherfuckers looking forward to is to be able to convert them convertible notes, give his friends all them fucking shares of AMC at $30 a share. That's all this is all about, people. It's going to reduce the float of the short positions by 90%. It's going to take 90% of your fucking shares. You cannot use the story of the dollar bill. We've debunked that shit already, okay? So this letter to the AMC shareholders is just like every other piece of document this piece of shit puts out. It's worthless, and they couldn't even wipe your ass with it. So with that, love y'all. Be blessed, and I'm heading back over there to the settlement so we can finally talk about what his immunity is in all of this. See you in the next video. Be blessed.